Hi everyone, this is Srinivas, Product Manager ITAM. In today's demonstration, we'll talk about the new feature in Tokyo, which is known as the Core Infrastructure Server Suite Licensing Support on BYOL. This basically means that the CIS or Core Infrastructure licenses on premises can be used to license the Windows Server installations on Azure or AWS. So let's see that in action. You can see here that there is this core infrastructure server suite software model for 2019 standard. And I can see that I've got entitlements for core infrastructure server suite. And the license metric result states that I've got 32 licenses owned, out of which 8 licenses have been consumed, and therefore I'm compliant. I can move towards the number 8 and see the virtual machines consuming the license. So this is the virtual machine that is consuming the license. If I go to the install, I can see that the 2019 standard is installed on this virtual machine. If I move and to license required section and click on the number 8, I can see that this virtual machine is in fact on Azure, which is a cloud platform. You can see that it's on the Azure data center, it's on the cloud platform. And hence, and the licenses are getting consumed appropriately for the same. So this is the support that we have recently introduced in Tokyo. In a nutshell, it is about having CIS licenses being consumed for your Windows Server installations on Azure or AWS. So that is about this feature. Thank you.